In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Snuv.io versus Smartlead.AI, two powerful tools for cold email outreach. Both help you send emails, book more meetings, and grow your pipeline, but they're focused on very different outcomes. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is the better fit for finding better leads, and also which one is better for sending at scale, and which one makes more sense for your business. Now, let's dive in. I've also included links in the pinned comment and description so you'll be able to try these platforms for completely free and it will help to support the channel. To kick things off, what is Snuv.io? Snuv.io is an all-in-one sales platform that combines email finder, email verifier, cold email campaigns, LinkedIn automation, and even a light sales CRM all in one platform. It's built to help you go from zero leads to research prospects to running multi-channel outreach without needing 5 different tools. On the other hand, what is Smartlead.AI? Smartlead.ai is an AI-powered cold email platform focused on deliverability and scale. Think of it like a sending engine that connects lots of email accounts, warms them up automatically, rotates sending between inboxes, and helps you manage replies in a unified inbox. It's built for teams that want to send high volumes of cold emails safely without burning their domains. Now, let's quickly talk about some key differences of both platforms. For example, when it comes onto Snuv.io, they're mainly focused on prospecting and outreach. So they help you find emails, verify them, and send from one platform. While Smartlead.ai, on the other hand, focuses on deliverability and scale. So you usually bring your own leads, and Smartlead helps you send smarter and safer across many inboxes. So if you need lead data, it is better you go with Snuv.io, and if you need mass sending and inbox rotation, Smartlead usually wins. And if we were to talk about some core features, first, you'll be able to use their email finder and database. So you'll be able to find B2B emails based on domain, role, company size, and more. Also, their email verifier. So there's a 7-tier verification to reduce bounces. And cold email campaigns, you'll be able to set up multiple step sequences with personalization and analytics. And you'll be able to track the open rate, clicks, and replies. Also, LinkedIn automation. With this, you'll be able to connect, follow up, and combine email plus LinkedIn touches in one flow. And it also offers a deliverability toolkit. And it also has a sales CRM built in. So you'll be getting basic pipeline, deals, and stages to track outcomes. Snuv.io is basically your lead machine plus outreach tool. Now let's quickly talk about Smartlead.ai. Smartlead.ai, some of its main features include AI-powered cold email engine, so it automates campaigns and reply classifications, so positive, negative, and out of office, and also unlimited sender accounts on many plans, so you'll be able to connect many email inboxes and rotate sending to protect deliverability, and it also offers automated warm-up. So you warm up your mailboxes gradually to avoid spam filters, and it also helps reduce bounce rate at the sending layer as it offers built-in email verification, and you'll also get access to their master inbox. This is where you'll be able to see all replies from all senders in one place, and you'll be getting detailed analytics, so you'll be able to track sent, opens, replies, spam rates, and also performance across accounts. Smartlead is more like mission control for cold email sending at scale. And if we were to quickly talk about use cases when it comes onto both platforms, I would say that the best use case when it comes onto Snuv.io is if you don't have leads database yet, and you need to find, verify, and email from the same tool, and you want lightweight CRM tracking inside the platform, and you prefer multi-channel outreach, for instance, email plus LinkedIn in one place, it would be perfect for solo founders, small outbound teams, agencies just starting with outbound, and anyone who wants a single tool to go from prospecting to outreach. And if we were to quickly talk about Smartlead.ai, I would say it is best if you already have leads for example from Apollo, Clay, Snuv, or Lincoln, and you want to send large volumes of email from many inboxes, and you care a lot about deliverability, warm up, and inbox rotation, and have a team and want unified reply inbox plus analytics. This would make it perfect for cold email agencies, SDR or outbound teams, and founders scaling outbound across multiple domains. And if we were to check out the pricing of Snuv.io, you can see right here their monthly plan begins at $39, and depending on the size of your team, it can go up to $99 per month. And if we were to check out the pricing when it comes onto Smartlead.AI, their monthly plan begins at $39 also, and it can go up to $174. So if we were to talk about the pros and cons of both platforms, so when it comes down to pricing, both platforms are equal as you can see right there. So which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend you choose Snuv.io if you are just starting outbound and you don't have a big lead source yet, and you want one tool for finding leads, verifying, and sending, and you are a solo founder, freelancer, or small SDR team, and you like the idea of having email plus LinkedIn plus Light CRM in one app. While on the contrary, I would recommend you go with Smartlead if you already have leads from Apollo, Snuv, or Clay, and you are an agency or a sales team sending at scale, and you need multi-inbox rotations, strong warm-up, and deliverability, and you care more about sending performance than having a built-in lead database. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative.